Alright guys, this is the next day, and we're gonna do another unboxing. I'm actually right now opening up my PlayStation again because that's not grease. Over there, that blue guy, that's not grease. I'm opening it up again because the laser doesn't work. As you can see, I've already taken it out. That right there is the original laser from the one I used for parts. I'm gonna see if it works. Which it does. I don't know if it does. I haven't tested it yet. But for some odd reason, this trigger right here, or whatever, keeps on slipping off. And I hate it. Anyways, let's open this guy up. You might be saying, oh, what is this? What do I know about C? Do I know? Yeah, I do. Because I bought it. Alright. And let's take it out like that. There it is. The original Muscle Boss in the orange box. I know it didn't come with the box, but you get what I mean. Pretty cool. Oh, excuse me. I'm a little bit sick right now. I got the COVID. No, I'm not kidding. I got COVID. So that means I'm gonna die soon. Yeah, so I got it. So the only thing that's wrong with it, as I can see, and it's obvious that it's missing the wheels. Which, don't worry, I have some spare tires from my old Muscle Boss. That's why you always use them for parts. If they're breaking apart, use everything for parts. Everything. And boom, look at it now. It's much better. I actually haven't checked the battery terminals. Let's see if it's clean. Which I actually do have some batteries. And of course it's this Sunbeam batteries. They're dead. This one's rusted. No, this one right here. This one's rusted or corroded. It didn't do much. And the gear is split. Like, legit. It's not even attached anymore. No worries. That's not a big deal. I'll just open it up, glue it, and that's it. And before I do want to test it though. Now, I don't like the color on this, is what I would have said if it didn't remind me of Tropical Core, if you know what that is. Castle logo. This one was made in 2000. And of course, I'm gonna get a new speaker for it. Test it out. What the? Why does it not want to work? Oh. Speaker's dead. Let's just hope that the speaker is dead. Yep, that's what I'm gonna check. See ya.